everyone, my name is Jayeeta and welcome back to another exciting video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you this makeup look which is appropriate for summer, and you can wear this makeup look on a daily basis, on a regular basis. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Also, I'm going to show you how I did my skincare before doing this makeup. So without further any more delaying, let's get started. Okay, so before starting the makeup, I'm gonna do my skincare first, and for my skincare, my first step should be cleansing my face so that if there is any dirt, oil or pollution or sweat on my face, then it can easily go away, and that also help to last my makeup even more longer. Okay, so for cleansing my face, now I have this Bioderma Sebium Gel Moussant, which is basically a purifying cleansing foaming gel. This is manufactured in France, and this product is suitable for oily, acne-prone and combination skin type. The ultra gentle and non-comedogenic soap-free formulation of this cleanser cleanses and purifies the skin very well, but without making it dry, and also the plus point is it helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin. This particular product contains zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, which helps to cleanse the epidermis, reduces the number of blemishes, and also it helps to limit the sebum secretion. Alright, so after cleansing my face, now my face needs some hydration, and that is why now I'm going to apply a moisturizer. And here I have this Bioderma Sebium Hydra Ultra-Moisturising Compensating Care, which is basically a moisturizer, and this product is also manufactured in France, and this is also suitable for oily, acne-prone and combination skin type. The non-comedogenic formulation of this product will give you the ultimate moisturization for 24 hours. And if you are suffering from extra dullness or extra dryness or skin peeling problem caused by any dermatological treatment, this will give you the proper hydration that your skin actually needs, and as well as it will soothe your skin and reduce the redness, and that is why it is called the compensating care. This moisturizer has the glycerin and the biometric restructuring ceramides agent, which helps to combat the discoloration and the sensation of tightness, and at the same time the anti-irritating properties of enoxabolone and allantoin soothe and reduce the skin. Alright, so after the cleansing and moisturizing, now I'm applying my sunscreen, and always remember that you should apply your sunscreen approximately 30 minutes before being in the sun. Then next, in this hot and humid weather, I don't want to layer up my face with some foundation, and instead of foundation, I'm gonna apply a BB cream today. Now the fact is, BB cream has very less coverage, so if you need more coverage, then you can go for the foundation, but make sure that is mattifying. Then I'm gonna apply some compact powder on the areas of my face that usually gets oily. Now for the eyebrows, I'm not gonna do anything extra. I'm just gonna fill in the gaps of my eyebrows, and that is why here I have the Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. Then I'm taking this beautiful powder blush color, and I'm gonna use it on my cheeks as a blush and also on my eyes as eyeshadow. So especially in this summer hot humid days, this kind of matte powder blush not only helps to absorb the excessive oiliness, but it also helps to hide the bumps and the texture of our skin. Then next, to keep this look even more simple and subtle, I'm not gonna wear any kajal or any eyeliner. I'm just finishing this eye look by coating my lashes with some waterproof mascara, and that's all. Next, for my lips, I'm wearing this beautiful hot pink shade, and this is the My Glamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Matrimania. Now, if you are not comfortable with wearing this kind of vibrant lip color, then just go for brownish nude kind of shade. That will also look good on the summer hot days. Alright, now this step is absolutely optional for you. If you want to add some glow on your face, then you can just put on some highlighter. So as you can see that I'm putting on my highlighter, and this is a jelly highlighter. You can use a powder kind of highlighter also, and this is absolutely optional. अगर आप चाहो तभी आप लगा सकते हो, otherwise just go without any highlighter. And last but not the least, I am fixing all the makeup that I have done with a fixer, with a makeup fixer, and that is the final finished look. I will give all the details of all the products that I have used in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot, and if really that, then please do like, share and comment. And मुझे social networking site में I mean Instagram, YouTube and Facebook में ज़रूर follow कीजिए. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.